The shockwaves from Jannik Sinner's 2 failed drug tests will continue to rock tennis, and it hasn't taken long for the always controversial Nick Kyrgios to wade into the debate. World. No one Sinner has been absolved of fault or negligence for 2 anti-doping failures in March, after the Italian twice tested positive for the banned substance clostebol, an anabolic agent that can aid muscle growth. Despite the adverse finding, the International Tennis Integrity Agency (ITA) accepted Sinner's explanation that the substance had accidentally entered his system via a product one of his team had used to treat a small wound. Morehouse, ITA CEO said, "We take any positive test extremely seriously and will always apply the rigorous processes set out by WADA, the World Anti-Doping Agency." The ITA carried out a thorough investigation into the circumstances leading to the positive test, with which Mr. Sinner and his representatives fully cooperated. Following that investigation, the ITA accepted the player's explanation as to the source of the clostebol, and that the presence of the substance was not intentional. This was also accepted by the tribunal. Sinner also gave his verdict on the decision, as he insisted his focus was now on moving forward with his career, after an incident that must have weighed heavily on his mind. "I will now put this challenging and deeply unfortunate period behind me," said the reigning Australian Open champion. "I will continue to do everything I can to ensure I continue to comply with the ITA's anti-doping program, and I have a team around me that are meticulous in their own compliance." This would appear to be the end of this story. But the discussion around it is certain to be the big talking point ahead of the US Open, which gets underway on Monday. It didn't take long for 2022 Wimbledon finalist Kyrgios to get in quickly on the story, as he appeared to question the outcome and suggested Sinner should have been banned from tennis.